Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to make a smoked paprika cheese with olives. Super simple to make. Like always, all the food that we make here on the channel, affordable and easy ingredients. And this is actually one of my top 3 favorites. Let me show you how I put it together. Alright, so first we're going to bring unsweetened soy milk to a boil. And when it's about to boil, you turn off the heat and wait for 5 minutes. Then you're going to gently add a white vinegar or lemon or lime and stir it with a wooden spoon, very gently. Now you cover and let it sit for 30 minutes. And now we're going to add a cheesecloth to a mold. Place the mold inside a bowl on top of an upside down ramekin and pour the cheese curds. Allow it to drain a little bit because it's going to be a little bit hot, and then you can squeeze the cheesecloth. Try to remove all the liquid. Now we're going to add the squeezed cheese to a bowl. Add minced sautéed red bell peppers or canned roasted peppers, minced olives and parsley. You add nutritional yeast, some salt, some white pepper, some lemon juice, and for creaminess and extra cheesy taste, some vegan butter. And mix to combine. Now, some of you might be asking yourselves why white pepper? Because have you ever smelled it? It has this cheesy, very particular smell. We're not looking for hotness here. We want the aroma, okay? So it doesn't work to substitute it for black pepper. So if you don't have it, just leave it out, okay? And now we're going to place it to a ramekin lined with a cling film, or you can put it back to the cheese mold. And then you cover everything so it doesn't get that refrigerator smell. We're going to refrigerate it for at least 3 hours. And then on a plate, you're going to sprinkle some smoked and sweet paprika, both together. Mix a little bit, and you roll the cheese in it, like so. Now, this was one of the best cheeses I've ever made because there was this, of course, there was the smokiness, there was the paprika and everything, and the olives, everything combined and everything. It was amazing. Now, considerations and substitutions. You don't like soy milk and you want to use another type of milk. Now, first of all, always unsweetened milk. Every time you make a savory recipe, always unsweetened milk, okay? Because not only do they add some type of sugar, but sometimes they add a vanilla essence or something, and that ruins savory food, so stay away from it. If you can make your own, because this way you are sure what you're putting in your food. So now back to substitutions. If you don't want soy milk, you can use peanut milk, okay? Although the curds will be considerably smaller, okay? That's how it is. But if you want to go to the trouble, it's going to be a little bit more difficult, you can do that. Or you can use tofu. You can make that with tofu, because that's exactly what I did. I made tofu, okay? So any other substitution? Oh yeah, of course you can add the herbs that you want. I mean, fresh herbs, they work better for this cheese, I think, because they're not, the flavors are not so concentrated and not so pronounced. It's a little bit fresher, but it's up to you. If you use dried herbs, use a little bit less, okay? So this is it. Don't you just love it? I love it with all my heart. I'm not even gonna put it on toast. My sister ate half of it, I'm not joking. She loved it. Oh. So good. The smokiness. Oh, one more thing I need to tell you. 1 second. Try to use the paprika that it's very, very fine, okay? Sometimes you see paprika in the supermarket that it's ground a little bit rougher and coarser. Try to find the fine powder ones, okay? The longer it stays in the fridge, the milder, can you believe it or not, the paprika gets. So, oh my God, it's so good. It smells really good. I love smoked flavors. And so is my sister. So this is it for today. I hope you make it. If you make it, tag me. And on Instagram and Facebook, let me know in the comments below. What type of herb would you use? I was in doubt if I was gonna use thyme, but I thought that it would be too much, you know. Flat leaf parsley for me, or Italian parsley. It was perfect. All right? So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Head over to my website so you can get a printable recipe, and I will see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye-bye.